Ahoy, this is Zdenka. This is FIRST Akaso 360 Action Camera. This is the most affordable 360 camera on the market. It's beginner focused and easy to use. Are you surprised? Me too. This is all you need to know video where I'll go through absolutely everything. This video is brought to you by Akaso. Let's go straight into filming. You're watching a reframed video from this camera that has dual half-inch 48 megapixels CMOS sensor. Aperture is f2.25. The camera is very light. It weighs only 180 grams. Dimensions are displayed on the screen. The camera is weatherproof. The touchscreen is quite large, 2.29 inches. Dimensions are 480 by 800. The camera comes in two packages, Standard and Creator Combo. Standard package includes Akaso 360 camera, 2 batteries, protective pouch, USB-C cable, lens cloth, and quick start guide. Creator Combo comes with Akaso 360 camera, 3 batteries, multifunctional charging case, invisible selfie stick, protective pouch, USB-C cable, lens cloth, and quick start guide. You will get 60 minutes in 5.7K in 30 frames per second with one battery that is 1350 mAh. When it comes to the app, there is no registration required. You just connect it and you are good to go. There is a power button here. It also switches between photo and video mode. A record button here. This is where you place in battery and the SD card. Here is where you charge your camera. Very simple. How is the sound? 2 microphones are here that record in stereo mode. Well, this is the sound you are going to get if you're going to be recording yourself on Akaso 360 camera. I'm not sure how you hear me. There is a lake over there, so I can hear a little bit the waves. However, here is pretty quiet. All you hear is just the birds flying by. We have very hot day today. It's gonna be roughly 29 degrees. It's not bad right now. I'm getting a little bit of a breeze from the lake, but I'm just talking something so you can hear the voice, so you can hear the sound from this camera. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the camera so far based on what you've seen and heard? Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. Let's explore camera modes. Until now, I was using standard video mode. When it comes to resolution, you can film 360 video in 5.7K. Frame rates offered are 24, 25, and 30. Or you can film in 4K resolution in 24, 25, 30, 50, and 60 frames per second. If you film in single lens mode, you will get 2.8K resolution at 24, 25, 30, 50, and 60 frames per second. The next mode is a time-lapse, which can be filmed in 5.7K or 4K. All you have to do is choose an interval between 1 and 60 seconds. Loop recording allows for continuous recording by overwriting the oldest footage when the storage is full. Here you can select your resolution, frame rate, and loop duration, which is anywhere from 1 minute to 30 minutes. Photo mode lets you take photos in 18 or 72 megapixels. The timer is there as well. Let's look at some photo samples. DNG8 is next. This refers to raw photo mode, which gives you better image quality as it has a greater dynamic range and you get more flexibility when editing. The only setting you get here is the timer. AEB mode. What's that? It is auto exposure bracketing. You can take 3 to 9 photos in different exposures that will be merged into one high-quality 360 photo. The interval is next. Here you can take a series of photos in 18 or 72 megapixels. Interval selection is between 0 to 60 seconds. The last mode you get here is time fusion. What this mode does is that it takes two 360 photos in up to 72 megapixels with lens 1 and lens 2 in a sequence shot. Then it is going to get merged into 360 photo using the app or desktop studio. The camera settings are quite simple. You can adjust stuff like volume, brightness, and you can turn off lights. Further in the settings, you can enable lens protectors, adjust microphone gain, adjust all these settings, and also enable quick capture. When this mode is enabled, when your camera is off, you just press the shutter button. It will turn on, record a video, and once you press the shutter button again to stop recording, the camera will also turn off. Let's go away from settings. If you swipe right, you will access the gallery. Let's check out the Akaso app. When you connect the camera via Wi-Fi, you can control the camera with a smartphone. You can access all filming modes. In the video mode, for example, you can select resolution and frame rate and color profile. There are vivid and standard options offered. You can select custom white balance and access camera settings. You can select this 360 preview or reframed preview. Select if you want to film 360 video or single lens video and switch to manual filming. Let's go to the library and select one of the clips to see what is offered in editing. You can create a video or a live photo. There are stitching settings and image processing settings available. And export lets you select resolution and bitrate. You can reframe the video with keyframes or enable AI tracking. Just select the person to track. You can trim video, enable filters. Under color, you have all picture controls such as brightness, contrast, highlights, and shadows. You can change speed on the entire clip or sections of the clip. Dashboard overlay is here too. If you need action data, you can enable it here. You can adjust audio, add music, and change aspect ratio. The last page I would like to show in the app is the home page. Here are some creative pre-designed templates you can try. Through the time tunnel, horizon hop, inception style spin, drone zooming, motion delay, and kaleidoscope. I went ahead and installed the Akaso 360 Studio desktop software as I wanted to see what was available there. Let's open it up and import a clip. On the right, you've got stabilization controls, horizon steady is here, media processing, calibration, stitching enhancement, color adjustment, and logo. You can edit in panorama mode or reframe the video. You can reframe the clip with keyframes. You can select perspective view, tiny planet, crystal ball, or cylindrical. You can enable AI tracking, take a screenshot, and enable grid lines. Well, there you have it. It is really what they say it is, your first 360 action camera. It is very easy to use, and it's got all the video editing tools you really need. It is quite good for well-lit scenes, but it's not really built for low-light video. It is a basic budget 360 camera. I can see this suitable for a recreational user who just wants to grab some shots here and there. The link to this product can be found below the video in the video description. You can see the pricing in your currency depending on where you live. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative and don't forget to subscribe for more. Meanwhile, I'll see you in one of those next. Ciao, ahoj.